Hi guys, welcome to our group presentation. The topic of our group presentation on the Duwamish Cultural Landscape. My group have five people: Hinji, Ken, Salama, James, and me. I'm Louis, and we want to focus on before and after people impact on the environment. That's our topic: pollution issue and environmental restoration. We have four locations. We have to travel last field last field trip. Per Duwamish Estuary Terminals 117, Duwamish Longhouse, and Jack Log Park. There's some picture about the trip. That's the blackberry when it's still young, and this is the Teddy of Winji. She took it when she go to the field trip. I think it's so cool. Now, Ken will introduce you about the first topic.
Hi, my name is Ken, and today I want to talk about Duwamish pollution at first. So, first, I want to talk about the building, especially I want to talk about the factory around the Duwamish River. The reason why I want to talk about the factories is because when the factory built around by a river, it usually mean the factory need the water come from river to power the machine or to cool down the machine. So, however, the problem is those pipe. Like those pipe is made from factory, and the function of those pipe is to put the water which the factory already used to go back to the river. But the problem is the those water was already polluted. So as you can see, the factory and those pipes are the biggest problem about polluted. So the cultural landscape over here, you can see factory and pipe are the big problem about pollution. However, they have some more pollution point can shows, and my next partner will talk about it.
Hello, my name is Zam, and I'm going to talk about how Duwamish River got polluted. So as you can see in the picture, there is a lot of factories around the Duwamish rivers. These are the sources of how Duwamish rivers got polluted. For example, shipyards and factories, they release that air pollution into the rivers with chemicals. When chemicals get into the rivers, the fishes can be very harmful for human beings. And when we look another picture, we can see that the lower Duwamish advisory board. In this board, they highly recommended not to eat any fish, crabs, shellfish, or other fishing fishes. Uh, According to the information in the board, Chinook kings and blackmouth salmons are limited to have up to 4 males per month. Chihu, pink, silky, and chums are limited that are the healthiest fish to eat 8 to 12 per month. Now, my friends, Hyunjin will tell about that.
Hello, my name is Chenji, and I figured out people's effort to restore the Duwamish River through the field trip. Duwamish River is an upper estuary, so people clean this place to the plants can get sunlight, and there were so many blackberries that animals can eat. So the animals come back to this habitat, so there were beavers, rabbits, otter, and birds where we can see. So there is beaver's scratch in the tree and other animals. The next place was Paget Park. People clean this place. People cut English ivy so that trees can the English ivy can kill trees, so people cut them down and plant trees to active this place. So people now people can use walking trails to use this place. And moreover, the Duwamish River People's Park, there were rain gardens and people remove pavements underwater and restored marsh. So there's a viewpoint that people can use here, this place, and it's not clear enough, but we can eat fishes, and there were bridges, airplanes, and old factories remained. And we also visited Duwamish Longhouse. There is a cultural center, and we can figure out Duwamish people's culture. The last place was Jack Block Public Park. It was industrial place at first, but now there is a recreational place, and people can get rest and enjoy this place because there are picnic areas, walking trails, and wonderful views. So that when we visited there were so many people in this park. And next, Salama will introduce more about restoration.
Hello everyone, my name is Salama. I will talk about the picture that I take it. First stop, Duwamish River People Park. As you can see here, here is plan to save the fish from the animal. I mean the bird. Because in the past the bird every time eat the fish. That's why they put this plan here, and there is not only this plan, there is so many. The next stop, Cecil Moses. As you can see here, there's so many words from the different country, from Somal and from, I think, from US, from different country. And here there is tree for the animal to eat. Here there is salt water, and the water is fresh. Also the view is so beautiful here. They work at resort in the environment, so that's why the water can get sun and oxygen, and that's why there is fresh water. The next stop, Project Park. Duwamish Green Belt is the largest park. Here we don't saw the animal, but our professor say for us that there is some animal live there. Also, this animal can eat from this plant. And this animal is fox and bird and rabbit. There is some frog also. Jack Block Park. As you see here, we cannot eat any animal that live inside the ocean because when the boat arrive, the boat has so many chemical. That's why we cannot eat the animal inside the ocean, and there is so many chemical inside this animal. Only we can eat the young salmon. Last stop that we visited, Duwamish Long House. This place about the history, and you can buy some of this, but it is so expensive. There is some small thing, but I don't take picture for it. But there is so not expensive as this. And this place about the history. Thank you.
So throughout our presentation, we want people have a deep understand about the cultural landscape and the importance of restoring and protecting the environment. So the protecting the environment and bringing value to it is the best way to have a bright future. Thank you.